Tesla is hit with a class action lawsuit over alleged privacy intrusion. Well, you knew this was a matter of time. They say, oh, they're looking at clips. They're sharing your clips. You're walking past your car naked or whatever the hell it was. And it's like, I smell an opportunity. Lawyer, just smell an opportunity, you know?
Band together.
Well, just call, you want to sign on that one? And call up, you want, what are you thinking? And then next thing you know, got yourself a little class action on there. Lawsuit in the U.S. District Court in Northern District, California came after Reuters report on Thursday that groups of Tesla employees privately shared via an internal messaging system, sometimes highly invasive videos and images recorded by customers' car cameras between 2019 and 2022. Now, a lot of people said, hey, that's those people. That's not the company. That's those people working there. Every company can have some bad apples working there. You fire the people, you move along. Well, these lawyers see it a little differently. They say, no, you hired those people to be your responsibility. You checks and balance the system. And then they go, cha-ching. Bling, bling. Money ain't a thing. Man, I just got like a BET flashback from high school or something. What song am I thinking of? Is that like...
Money Ain't a Thing?
No. I combined songs. Money Ain't a Thing is Jermaine Dupri and Jay-Z, but they don't know. Bling Bling was a different song. Deep South, it's like...
Nelly?
No, Bling Bling. Who did Bling Bling? Yeah, Bling Bling was a Hot Boys, Big Timers, BG.
Oh, yeah,
Come on, man. Bling Bling. You can't give me any of that, can you?
No.
Can you give me like 2 seconds of it? I feel like you should be good at this by now. Give me like 8 seconds of it. No, 6. 5 might work. Yeah. Okay, I'm good. I got it. Bling, bling. Yeah, I got it. No, I got it. 1999, I got it. Since we're taking time machines today, I combined Money Ain't a Thing and Bling Bling because it's kind of a rhyming thing. And I don't know, was that 99? Those two videos might have come on one after another.
Yeah, they were close.
Ferraris and Jaguars switching 4 lanes with the top down, screaming out, money ain't a thing. Look at that. Like, you can't, man, you unlock it. You unlock it, don't you? It's crazy.
When it comes to songs.
You unlock it.
It kind of flows.
You kind of unlock it sometimes, man.
Can you finish the...
What, you want the whole thing? Hell no, that's the hook.
Yeah.
But if you were to like play it one time, I could probably get pieces of the verse and...
Okay.
You just need those keys to get you closer.
Yeah. Those keywords or phrases.
Different era, man. Tesla needs to be held accountable for these invasions and misrepresenting its lax privacy practices to him and other Tesla owners. This is the thing. They need the plaintiff. They got to go find the people they can put on the dotted line, and then the lawyers can represent.
But these people, aren't they everyone?
Whoever wants to be... If it's a class action, yeah, whoever wants to be a part of it, who feels affected or whatever.
Well, good luck.
Yeah. Legal lawyer.